Alright, I have been watching those videos of that guy play that Cat Mario game, and I was wondering if it was a real game, so I actually found it, so now I'm gonna play it, and see if it's as hard as it looks. Let's see. Alright, gonna have to hold it, because I'm laying down, so let's see. Fuck. Hold on. Alright. Any day now, Cat Mario. Piece of shit. Alright. Okay. Wow. So good so far, motherfucker. Damn. I am better than the guy who was playing. And I do remember in the video that I will get stuck down here if I don't jump. What? Ah, fuck, there's no point. Might as well make a jump for it. Oh, okay. I can tell this game is gonna suck. Alright. Let's try it again. So, last time I jumped here. Yep, got rid of that shit. Alright, Cat Mario. That thing killed the guy last time. Watch out for the balls. See, man, I'm already an expert. Then you said you gotta jump over the yellow pole? Oh shit. God damn it. Alright. Wow, wow. Oh my god. Oh my, what? Alright, the thing that makes this game retarded as hell is, I don't know if you can see, but I can only use the goddamn arrow keys. I can't even press spacebar to jump. It's bullshit. Man, if I would have played this game, like, without watching that video, I would have fucking broke my computer already. Fuck you, Cat Mario. Alright, fuckers. Oh my god, he's so slow, aren't you? No point of getting mad. Oh my god. Damn it. Alright. No. Alright. Wow. Fuck this. This is bullshit. I wonder if that guy really got mad while he was playing. Because I know I definitely would. Bitch. Jump, what the f. Alright. And those cloud bitches come. And no! I swear to God, this is like the slowest fucking cat I've ever seen in my life. Like, really? Oh my god. See, now that's some cat shit right there. Nigga jumped right out. You feel me? Alright. Oh, yeah. Jump. And then I know the thing I have to jump. Oh. What? I didn't even do anything. Oh my god. Okay. I'm literally gonna try this, like, oh my god, one more time after this fucking retarded. Alright, last time for Cat Mario. Fuck it. Well, that was me playing Cat Mario. Until next time, this game sucks. So, yeah.